Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing the third giveaway of this week. Yes, I'm doing 3 giveaways this week for my US subscribers, and you're more than welcome to enter in all 3 of them. So, as always, I'm going to show you the things you can win from this giveaway, and somewhere in the video I'm going to ask you a question, and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below. Now again, this is for my US subscribers only, so please only play if you live in America, because shipping internationally is very expensive. Unfortunately. Okay, so stickers, heart stickers. I figure since Valentine's Day is coming up, maybe this is really cute. You can put it on your partner's lunchbox or inside his lunch, and then he can just randomly find it. It's cute. And I have no need for it, so maybe you can use it. And then I have this sticker that's dresses, basically. Outline stickers. I'm not really sure where I got this from, but I have no use for it, so maybe someone else. But I have no use for it, so maybe someone else, and you can always exchange it with somebody. Okay, put this aside. Stamps. First we have butterfly, and this is like such a good quality. The lines here are perfect. There is room to color, even though it looks very dark. This one is a little bit darker, yes, but these 3 are so beautiful. And also got sentiments. Actually, it has a lot of sentiments. Can't wait to see how far you fly. That's really cute for like a graduation, right? That would be perfect for graduation. You're on my mind. Good for Valentine's Day. Cute. Flowers. Had to put flowers in there. Hello. Aloha. Sending sunshine and smiles. If I'm correct, this is one of those that you can layer. Yes, you can layer them. Outline. You can do this in heat embossing, like a gold outline, and then underneath darker or lighter, and this one with darker. That would be beautiful. Yes. Oh, I love these. Love those. Next one is this girl. And some really nice size sentiments. Perfect size for heat embossing. Thank you. Perfect. Keep it cool. Hello. Good luck. A lot of room to color. Next one. Also really, really good size for heat embossing. I've been hunting for what? Good outlines, room to color. Very cute. Next one is a die. Outline, frame, and a smaller frame, so you can separate these. Very cute and very strong knives. Well, how would you call that? The blades. It's very deep. You see. The next die I think I have 3 of this, because I have a drawer that I put in duplicates when I notice them. When I unbox I do the unboxing videos, and I notice that, oh, this is a duplicate. I put it right here behind me. But in the back of the room, in the closet, I have a massive box full of duplicates, and this is from the box behind. So somewhere behind me here, there's another one of these. And then I also used this a while ago, which was mine. So you're gonna see another one of these in another giveaway. I also have an Etsy store where you can buy some of my duplicates. I made that store because there's so many people commenting, and I feel like bad, like that I see a lot of faces over and over again, and the YouTube picker does not pick them, and I just feel bad. So I made the store in case anyone wants to buy my duplicates, which is a lot cheaper than buying them at the store. or even on AliExpress. Yes, because the prices there have gone up a lot. Okay, so my question is, have you been to Paris? That's my question. Have you been to Paris? Yes or no? Very simple question. I just need you to comment something in the comment section. I think I mentioned this in every single video. I just needed a random question. Have you been to Paris? Yes or no? That's it. Very simple. So these are super thin lines. Definitely a lot of room to color. Thinking of You is very cute. I really love these ones, the long writings, when I'm doing journal and I just need something in the background, something to fill up that empty space. And then Thank You, and there's some more down here. Okay, we have 2 more. That is big. That has a lot of room to color, but it's a lot of little details. And then a few more. Peacocks. It's cute, but it has a very tiny details. Very, very tiny. Which is really good because some people love to color. It's color therapy. And for the last one, we have a background, a frame, and some little ones. And that was it for this giveaway. Remember, there's 3 giveaways this week, and you can enter to all 3. Good luck.